Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. இந்த வீடியோவில் நம்ம என்ன பார்க்குறோம் அப்படின்னா BGTRB zoology preparation பார்க்குறோம். நம்ம எடுத்துருக்க டாபிக் என்ன அப்படின்னா binomial nomenclature. First question, which of the following organism can be found in extreme saline condition? Archaebacteria. Second question, Linnaeus used which kingdom of classification? Artificial system. Third question, smallest taxons of classification is dash species. Fourth questions, in which of the following kingdoms are archaea and nitrogen fixing organisms classified? Answer Monera. Fifth questions, Bentham and Hooker have which systems of classification? Natural. Sixth questions, what is the main basis of classifications in the five kingdom system? Mode of nutrition. Seventh questions, African sleeping sickness is caused by dash Trypanosoma campiens. Eighth questions, Linnaeus evolved a system of nomenclature is called binomial. Ninth questions, what is a taxon? A group of any ranking. By 10th question, phylogenetic classification is based on common evolutionary descendants. 11th questions, static concept of species was proposed by Linnaeus. 12th questions, the protists have which of the following membrane found nucleoproteins within the cytoplasm? 13th question, genes of tobacco mosaic virus are single stranded RNA. 14th question, blue-green algae belong to which group? Prokaryotes. 15th questions, who wrote the book Genera Plantarum? Linnaeus. 16th questions, T.O. Ediner discovered as free infectious RNA. 17th questions, ICBN stand for International Code of Botanical Nomenclature. 18th questions, a group of plant and animals with a similar trait of any rank is taxon. 19th questions, which is less general in characters as compared to genus? Species. 20 questions, what is nomenclature? Genus and species names are written in italics. 21st question, the term phylum was coined by Haeckel. 22nd questions, binomial nomenclature was given by Linnaeus. 23rd question, species found in different geographical locations are called allopatric species. 24th question, what is a homonym? Identical name of two different taxa. 25th question, ICZN stand for dash International Code of Zoological Nomenclature. அவ்வளோதான் நம்ம இந்த வீடியோவில் 25 கொஸ்டின்ஸ் வந்து பார்த்துருக்கோம். பைனாமியல் நாமன்க்ளேச்சர் அப்படிங்கிற டாப்பிக்லேருந்து 25 கொஸ்டின்ஸ் பார்த்துருக்கோம். இதே போல் நீங்கள் ஒவ்வொரு டாப்பிக்லேருந்தும் கண்டினியூஸாக கொஸ்டின் வித் ஆன்சரோடு பார்க்கணுன்னு நினச்சிங்கன்னா என்னோடய சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணி வச்சுக்கோங்க. தேங்க்யூ ஃபார் வாட்சிங் திஸ் வீடியோ ஸ்பான்சர்ட் பை BuyMote e-shopping. Thank you.